Everybody, and today I'm here with...
I'm here. My name's ScizorYT.
And
Claira Patrick.
Okay. And we're playing White Noise.
As Cleopatra.
We're playing White Noise.
It does
But
sound a lot
we
like...
are not playing, Jake. This is just in your imagination.
I am playing
That's
White
exactly
Noise.
what I said.
Okay. So should I play the scariest one?
Scary.
Wait, but I need to see your face so I can make fun of you. I'm not gonna make fun of you. I'm just gonna...
Maeve,
Yeah.
you can't make fun of anybody.
That's true, because...
Okay.
I will ascend into the darkness.
Okay. Should I play? Okay, I'm not gonna show you all the map, but should I play Isla?
I'm in the darkness.
Okay, y'all
I'm darker
listen.
than you.
Y'all vote for the map, okay? Okay, so which map should I play? Isla Grande, Saint Martin, Bunker 51, K Ventoka, which is a slender map, Founders Hall, and Chatu.
I'm sorry. Tanner's making weird faces. But you should play, is there a Evil Mansion one?
Sort of. So you're going for Founders Hall. Okay, Tanner, which one do you want?
Something in the woods.
Why in the woods?
Because woods are scary.
Okay, what difficulty? Easy, normal, hard, or nightmare?
Hard.
Nightmare.
Going with nightmare. Okay, should I be Kurt, Annie, Jean, Sarah, Frank, Richard, or Chuck? Or Hannah, Raffle?
Sarah.
I say Sarah.
Yeah, I say Sarah.
Yeah.
Well, too bad.
Man.
I'm going with Elvis.
Elvis? Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go
Oh,
ahead with my weird faces.
I'm on the Slender map right now. I forgot this was Slender. Oh my god, this is creepy.
Oh my gosh, I wish I could see it. That'd be really nice. Oh my gosh, Tanner.
Dude, this is actually scaring me already. Just for the dudes watching, I don't like this map as it is.
Well, you should have apologized.
I don't like playing this while I have somebody with me. I'm playing this on solo on Nightmare.
Well, I'm with you. We're here. We're here for moral support.
Yeah, but I don't have any.
Weird faces.
Oh, I hear him. I hear him. I hear him.
What do you hear? Monsters?
I hear Naked Slender. That's what I hear.
Naked?
Jake.
What?
Here's a knife to defend yourself.
Why do you have
Thank
that
you.
here?
Don't question it. Jake, here, take it.
I took it. Guys, I'm gonna shank him. Where are you at? I'm shanking you today.
Don't question my methods.
You know, I know where the disc, just so y'all know, I know where the thing is at, the disc that I have to collect, but as soon as I collect it, he's gonna be on me, and I don't want to do that.
Oh. Well.
On Nightmare, does he spawn in before you collect the disc, Tanner, or no? Guys, just so you know, this game is not for me to beat. This is just for y'all to have entertainment, for me to scare myself to death. Because me and Tanner both could work together and we wouldn't be able to beat this game on easy.
Oh yeah, we
That's
would.
why I told you to pick hard, Jake.
No, we picked Nightmare up in here.
Why?
I'm terrified right now.
Nightmares are scary.
And the worst part is, Tanner, when I run, the flashlight goes down, and if I'm not running, I walk like 2 frames per second.
Tanner, did you just fall?
Yes. here trying to make a joke and I fell off the side.
Why is it daytime but it's dark outside?
Because reasons.
Can I just jump in the river and kill myself instead?
No, don't kill yourself.
Fine, I'm walking.
Suicide is not good, kids.
Oh,
Unless you really
oh, no, 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 no. Ah! Ah! He's on me! I haven't even got that one thing yet, and he's already trying to kill me.
Guys, I'm out of breath from this Skype call.
Why?
There's a...
First you breathe in through your nose,
There's
and then
a-
through your mouth.
I've been jumping, getting my light, then going, do weird faces on top of the camera. I've been doing this. I've been doing this.
Tanner, you want to go see if I can get the totem to kill me? Oh, no, 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 no. There's an alligator head out of the ground. No,
You're
no, no,
scared
no,
of
no.
an alligator, but there's monsters chasing you around?
It's a giant alligator's mouth sticking out of the ground.
Well, that would make sense.
There's multiple of them.
Multiple?
I think they're hippos, not alligators, but they're still as creepy. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Just so you know, this game is just like Slender. I want to see if he'll come kill me if I look at the green statue. Because I want the viewers to see what this dude looks like. Tanner knows what this dude looks like. This dude literally is like Slender, but like 10 times scarier.
Yes, I actually do know what he looks like.
He legit looks like Slender, but 10 times scarier. The totem was right here. Where is it? I just want to kill myself. I'm not playing this after I finish. I hate horror games. Especially playing.
Well, you should have picked hard, Jake. I'm sorry. Wait, do you go by Jake on your channel?
No, well, yeah.
Oh.
Yes and no. Okay, I'm going to go kill myself, guys. I'm going to see if he'll come and kill me.
Oh no, don't kill yourself.
Ah! Okay.
Tanner, you look like someone who just got out of a really nice nightclub and you're really, really drunk. So then you went to Walmart and found a pair of headphones and a Darth Vader mask and put it on and ran out the store.
Oh, that's cool. The game can track your screams. Like when you scream, it actually will tell you how many times you screamed.
That's cool.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Tanner, hold up. I literally went back and forth. I stayed in one area of the map the entire game.
This is what I do all day.
That's what she said. I'm sorry. That makes sense.
Where I